5 herbs to help you detox and feel amazing. Welcome to Healing with Herbs. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of detoxification and exploring the top 5 herbs that can help cleanse your body naturally. These incredible herbs, Dandelion, milk thistle, burdock root, turmeric, and cilantro, have been trusted for centuries to support the body's natural detox processes. Stick around as we uncover their origins, how they work, and the best ways to use them. In today's fast-paced world, our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins, from processed foods and environmental pollutants to stress and unhealthy habits. Over time, these toxins can burden our liver, kidneys, and blood, leading to fatigue, brain fog, digestive issues, and even chronic illnesses. But here's the good news: nature provides a solution. Detoxification is our body's way of clearing out harmful substances, and with the right herbs, we can enhance this process. Did you know that more than 70% of adults report feeling the need to detox at least once a year? If you've ever felt sluggish or wondered how to reset your system, this video is for you. Let's take a closer look at 5 of the most effective detoxifying herbs: Dandelion, milk thistle, burdock root, turmeric, and cilantro. Each one plays a unique role in supporting the liver, purifying the blood, or eliminating heavy metals. Ready to discover how these natural wonders can help you? Let's start with dandelion. Dandelion, often dismissed as a common weed, is a powerful herb for liver detoxification. Native to Europe and Asia, this plant has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It's easy to identify by its bright yellow flowers and jagged green leaves. The roots and leaves of dandelion are the parts we use for detox. They contain inulin and taraxacin, compounds that stimulate bile production, aiding the liver in breaking down toxins. You can enjoy dandelion as a tea by brewing its roots or add its leaves to salads for a nutritional boost. It's generally safe, but people with gallbladder issues or those prone to allergies should consult a healthcare provider before use. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is a trusted herb for protecting and regenerating the liver, with a history rooted in the Mediterranean region. Its purple flowers and spiky leaves with white veins make it easy to spot. The seeds of milk thistle are rich in silymarin, a compound known for repairing liver damage and acting as a powerful antioxidant. Milk thistle is most commonly taken as a capsule or tincture, with a standard dose of 200-400 milligrams daily. While generally safe, those allergic to plants in the daisy family should use it with caution. Burdock root. Burdock root is renowned for its ability to purify the blood and support detoxification. Originally native to Asia and Europe, this herb is now found worldwide. Its large, heart-shaped leaves and burr-like seed heads are distinctive features. The root is the part used for its detoxifying properties, thanks to its content of polyphenols and inulin, which promote kidney function and flush toxins from the blood. Burdock root is commonly consumed as a tea or powder, with a recommendation of 1 to 2 cups of tea per day. However, pregnant individuals and those with ragweed allergies should avoid it. Turmeric. Turmeric, a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine, is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. Native to India, it's recognized by its bright orange root and earthy aroma. The rhizome, or underground stem, is the part used medicinally. Turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, helps neutralize toxins and reduce inflammation. It can be consumed in cooking, as tea, or in supplements, with a typical dose of 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily. While highly beneficial, excessive turmeric intake can lead to digestive discomfort, so moderation is key. Cilantro. Cilantro is a remarkable herb for removing heavy metals like mercury and lead from the body. Its delicate green leaves and citrusy aroma make it a common addition to culinary dishes. The leaves are the part we use for detox, as they contain natural chelating agents that bind to heavy metals and aid in their elimination through urine. Cilantro can be easily added to smoothies, salads, or soups, with a daily intake of 1 to 2 tablespoons recommended. While generally safe, some individuals might experience mild digestive upset or allergic reactions. There you have it. 5 amazing herbs to help your body detox naturally. Whether it's dandelion for liver support, milk thistle for regeneration, Burdock Root for blood purification, Turmeric for inflammation, or Cilantro for heavy metal removal. These herbs are simple, effective ways to boost your health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Healing with Herbs, and share your detox journey in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going about how we can heal naturally. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.